They say ChatGPT Atlas is the browser built around ChatGPT, a place where browsing, research, writing, and AI work together inside the same window. Smart tabs, integrated AI chat, summaries, and deep search. It all sounds like the future. But in 2026, with so many AI browsers popping up, the real question is Atlas actually the browser to trust, or just another overhyped tool? Let's break it down. At first glance, Atlas looks very professional. It's made by OpenAI, which gives it instant credibility, and the design feels sleek and modern. The browser offers a built-in sidebar for ChatGPT, so you can ask it questions while you browse. It promises that you don't need to switch tabs to get help, and that saves a lot of time. That integration is exactly what draws people in. The idea that your chat assistant and your browser are one. But when you actually use it, some things are both powerful and limited. The ChatGPT sidebar can summarize long articles, generate ideas based on what you're reading, or help you rephrase content. For many users, that works beautifully. Instant research, quick notes, and writing help without leaving the page. It feels like having GPT right next to you while you browse. However, it's not perfect. Sometimes the AI misunderstands your query or gives generic summaries. Not every article summary is accurate or useful, especially for very technical or niche content. Users report that for deep academic work or very specific research, the built-in AI is helpful, but not a substitute for dedicated tools. Privacy is a big consideration. Atlas claims that some AI work is done locally, but not everything. Certain AI tasks do require sending data to OpenAI's servers. For a browser made by OpenAI, you might expect strong protection. But because it is relatively new, not all independent audits have been done. That means you need to trust OpenAI more than you might trust some older browser companies. And not everyone is comfortable with that. Performance is also something to watch. On powerful machines, Atlas runs smoothly, even with the AI sidebar active. But on less capable hardware, users report slowdowns or increased memory usage while the AI is processing. So, if your system is older or limited, Atlas may not feel as fast as a lightweight browser without AI. In terms of productivity, Atlas AI shines. For writers, students, researchers, or anyone who regularly reads long documents or writes online content, the built-in ChatGPT features are a big plus. The ability to ask ChatGPT to generate ideas, rewrite paragraphs, or help with structure is genuinely useful. But if your browsing is mostly for entertainment, social media, video streaming, you may not take full advantage of the AI tools regarding cost. The basic browser features are free, but advanced AI capabilities may require a subscription or a paid ChatGPT plan. That means you need to evaluate how often you'll use the AI features to justify any cost. If you only need occasional help, a free plan might suffice. But if AI becomes central to your workflow, a paid plan could pay off. So, what's the bottom line? Is ChatGPT Atlas a browser worth using in 2026? Yes, but with some caveats. It is one of the most integrated AI browsers available right now, designed by OpenAI, and built for people who want to combine browsing and AI help. But it's not flawless, and performance or privacy may be concerns for some. My verdict: ChatGPT Atlas is a powerful and innovative browser for productivity-focused users, but it's not for everyone. If you use AI for research, writing, or work, it's absolutely worth trying. If your use is casual, a normal browser might still be faster and simpler. If this review helped you decide whether Atlas is worth it, leave a like, comment, or share so others can make an informed decision too. Stay smart, stay curious, and always evaluate new tools before diving in.